Let's learn together.
GiggleNishu. Let's play. Come and play, hooray today. Smiles begin our happy way. Blocks and books are here and there. Colorful toys everywhere. Buddy looks from side to side. Where's my little ball to find? Let's look high and let's look low. Together now, away we go.
Color
Mama
baskets.
brings bright baskets near. Sorting toys is fun right here. One by one they find a place. Happy hearts and smiling
job.
face. Blue basket for every block. Tap them in with tick and tock. Books stand tall upon the shelf. Every book can help itself. Clap your hands, let's clean today. Put each little toy away. Buddy's tail goes wag, wag, wag. Happy smiles in every bag. Soft toys cuddle nice and deep. Now they're cozy, safe to sleep. Buddy finds another toy, wagging tail with happy joy. Just a few are left to do. Cleaning makes the room feel new. Here's the ball we've looked around. Happy puppy treasure found. Clap, clap, clean today. Put each little toy away. Everything has its own place. Look at every smiling face. Now the room is bright and neat. What a cozy little treat. Mama, Dada, clap along. Cleaning ends with happy song. Story time beside our friend. Perfect way the day can end. Clean together every day. Happy hearts will always stay. Clean together, laugh and play. See you next adventure.